Okay, so the rain has stopped. I'm up here at Petit Jean. This is one of my favorite trails. It was shut down for the whole year of 2020 because of a broken bridge. They just now have it back up. The water should be flowing. So we are going to Cedar Falls here at Petit Jean State Park. It's a pretty good trail. And this is the bridge that was out for one whole year. It looks magnificent. I am ready to try it. And the river is flowing. The water at the falls are going to really be flowing. The trail is a good trail. There's enough people on this trail to keep it pretty good. You can hear the water flowing. Cedar Falls from the top. Look how beautiful that is.